Hey everybody, we've enjoyed a good, beautiful day in Santa Barbara. Me and
EP.
So what do you have to say about it, love?
I knew you were going to do that to me.
We're live here.
We're here in Santa Barbara and we're here at the Riviera View. And if you remember earlier, we were down at the
pier.
The pier.
Yeah.
But it's called the wharf.
Yeah.
We were down at the wharf. So here, anyway, we walked miles and miles to get to the Riviera View. And Oli's going to show you the surrounding areas, but it's just amazing to see all the mountains. And in this area, we have he can show you right now, we have the La Cumbre Peak, which is 3,985 feet high. We also have the flagpole in this area, the first Methodist church in this area. Then we also have the Montecito Peak, which elevation is 3,212 feet. We have the former county jail in this area, and we have the Figueroa Gallery, Department 1 and Department 2. So if you see as this goes around, we're on the balcony of one of the highest buildings here, and it's giving you a pretty panoramic view of the entire area. You can see the mountainside and all the various churches, all the various businesses, and it's just massive. This video can't convey the reality of what's saying.
Anyway, it's beautiful. We've had a beautiful time here in Santa Barbara. The weather couldn't be any more perfect than it's been. Being able to share our day before our 1-year anniversary.
Yes, yes.
Anyway, so we're bringing that to you and hoping you're enjoying a little bit of it with us too.
Alrighty then. Stay tuned for more.
Bye.
Oli and EP.
Out.